Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Guys, 2008 Chevy Silverado 5.3L V8. Look at this thing. Nice truck. This is their fourth or fifth truck that they brought to us. We got factory converter there, factory converter there. Then it's true dual. Somebody else did a true dual on it in the middle, 2-inch, but then it was all rotted out over there, as you guys can see. For the rest of it, it was 2 1/4. So they brought it to us, and we ran completed the 2-inch back all the way out on each side. As you guys can see, custom bent 2-inch tailpipes into massive 6-inch tips. Because, you know, why not? There and right there. There's the old exhaust that was on it, all rotted and broke and just not good. Not good at all. So we gave them an update. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Look at their faces. He's like, no. Again? Your sound decibels, go ahead. 118. Again? Gotta back it out. That looks good too. Those 6 inches look perfect on it. I wouldn't go any bigger. No, they won't look right, you know? You feel it in your chest. Yeah. God. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 5.3 true dual. Straight pipe, no X pipe, 2-inch all the way back into massive 6-inch tips. Enjoy, guys.